Hurricane warnings in Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Florida is under a state of emergency and preparing for dangerous flooding.
My heart and prayer goes out to everybody who's in Florida, especially people in the Florida Keys. Even the chief of FEMA has even said that those people who choose not to evacuate, they're on their own until first responders can get there. Not only was it a Category 5 for 3 days, it maintained winds of 185 miles an hour for 37 hours. I think the thing that has me the most nervous is the homes in our neighborhood are between 90 to 100 years old. Well, that presents a problem because the trees are at least double that. Well, in a Category 1, the winds are at least 70 miles an hour. That's enough to topple a huge tree. I'm gonna head to some of the grocery stores, some of the local grocery stores to show you how people are just like in panic mode, which they should be, because it is still, like I said, a tropical storm. But everything off the shelves are getting cleared out.
Just slowly, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. If I didn't ride blade on curb, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it, knock it out twice, I'm kidding.
The bread aisles are completely empty. The milk is pretty much gone. I mean, they got like 1% left, but who wants that? I mean, but they do have some 2%. I drink 2%, so we can roll with that. The beer aisle is still pretty packed though. Piss water, extra piss water. Yinglin's cool. Piss water. Yeah. Look how retarded these lines are. I'm about to go ahead and fill up now before the gas prices get worse. Look how these gas prices have jumped up already. That is just crazy, man. Don't forget to remember the ones who did not evacuate and pray for those also.
I got something. Hold up, we gon' function, no assumption.
Drink your partners, come out to drink. Drink your partners.